Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Shipping giants are sending out an unlikely warning signal about the global economy. Danish behemoth AP Møller Maersk said it would probably land a whopping $37 billion of EBITDA this year due to sky-high freight rates. Italian high-end luxury fashion house Gucci is now accepting ApeCoin as payments for in-store purchases situated in the United States. ApeCoin is a new addition to a list of cryptocurrency Gucci accepts for the purchases of their products in their select boutiques in the US. People in the United Kingdom should prepare for further rises to their already eye-watering energy bills. The average bill is predicted to rise to £3,600 a year for millions of UK households. The Bitcoin dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. Volkswagen shares dropped 0.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US factory orders at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.